Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, maybe you'll think about subscribing to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this BeautyFIX box. This is my first box. I'm super excited because it is by the Derm store and it is a skincare box, and I think they do some makeup, but I did cancel my BoxyCharm is what I'm trying to say. And so anyways, I went with this one. I'm still getting the Allure, but I wanted to try something else. So this is $24.95 plus tax. I think it's like $1.12, and it's free shipping. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so they give you this here, and of course it tells you everything that they have here. On the back it says you can save up to 20% with the code SELFLOVE. Anything in the Derm store. So they have all kinds of stuff in the Derm store. So if you're not familiar with them, you may want to go check out their website. So the first, I just have to show this to you because I've been wanting to do this, and I'm so glad that I got this. And what this is a micro needle lip plumping roller. So it is a micro needle that helps get your lips plump over a period of time. So I just want to see it, but I think what I'm going to do with this micro needle is the same thing I did with the Grande lash, is go ahead and start it, take before pictures, and then start using it. Oh, it's really filled. And then show some after pictures to see how well this works. So it comes in a case like this. It looks like a razor, like a woman's razor, and it's so pretty. Look at that. Focus. There you go. So that's what it looks like. I don't want to roll it on my skin because I'm not sure how sharp it is. But I'm going to read up on how to do this, and I'm going to create a video on micro needling and lip plumping roller. All right, next. So the next thing in here is Smith & Colt Beeline eye pen. Okay, so there's makeup. So this is an eyeliner pen, and let's see. It's called Beeline. It's in the color black. Yeah. So I'm not going to swatch that because it reminds me of the Stila eyeliner pen. So yeah, I'm not too good with these, so I have to pass that on. But I mean, if you like the liquid eyeliner and to make your wings, that's perfect. So the next thing is these R & Co. right there. And what this is High Dive Moisture Shine Cream. So this is for your hair, which I love. I love to get hair products. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. I'm totally into skincare, totally into hair care. Makeup, to me, like, I love makeup, but I mean, there's thousands of palettes and things that you can get. Eyeliners, I mean, honestly, like, how different can they be? And all they do is add color to your face. But like, hair care makes your hair better, and skincare helps you not to age and to actually look better, not just mask. So yeah, that's me in a nutshell. So yeah, this feels pretty good. Did you guys see that? Wow. Ooh. Holy moly, I've heard about this product, R & Co, and I wanted to check it out, but this is a great way to try it, and if I'm interested, I can get 20% off a full-size product. All right, so the next product is the Daily Eye Repair Emulsion by MD Solar Sciences. So I'll have to give this a try and then let you know how that goes. I already have a full face of makeup, so I won't try that, but I love trying eye creams and different skincare to see what works. So the next thing is the Verso Hydration Serum with niacinamide. So I'm gonna have to read up on this, but this is the size there, and that's what it looks like. So I love serums, and yeah, so here is another full-size product, and it is by Lancer, and this is a Studio Filter Pore Perfecting Primer. Say that 10 times fast. Okay, so I was supposed to use this putting on my makeup today, but I forgot. Oh, look at how pretty that packaging is. Doesn't that remind you of, well, it reminds me of a lot of packaging, but that's so pretty. Let's see what this, what it looks like. Let's take off. I hate these little metal tabs. Okay, let me just see what it looks like. Oh, it's like an orange. Can you see that? It's like an orange color. Oh, and it has kind of a scent, almost like, I don't know, I can't explain the scent. It smells a tiny bit like an alcohol drink, a tiny bit, but I don't know, I can't really tell all that well on my hand, so I'm gonna have to give this a go underneath my makeup. But this is a full-size product, like this is 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so one last thing, and it came packaged like this, so that's pretty cute, and they have this. So this is a one-step original clear pad. So there's 2 pads in here. It says the facial toner gently wipes out excess oil. Ooh, I need that. And keeps the complexion clear, refined, and well balanced. That sounds nice. So yeah, looks like that. So what I got here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products, and 1, 2, 3 of them were full size products, and it changes their boxes just like any other subscription box. What is wrong with me? It changes every month. On their website they have other boxes that you can choose from, like they have a maid of honor box, which was really cool. They have a Korean skincare box, and those boxes you can just purchase like one time and as many as you want. Also, the monthly boxes you can purchase, like say you just want to try it for 1 month, you can purchase them if they don't sell out, so you can purchase them. The only thing is I think they're a few dollars higher, so like this box is $24.95, so if you want to do a one-time purchase, I believe it's like $27 or $28, something like that. So yeah, so I really like this box. I'm going to be trying it out for the next couple months, and so far I'm loving it. I love the microneedle tool here for your lips, and the hair care, and these, yeah, I love trying out skincare. So this box is right up my alley. I will leave the link to this box or the Derm store. I'll leave it down below in case you want to check it out. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the cool skincare that I got. If you have any questions about this box BeautyFIX, leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.